Hey y'all, Chantel here per usual. Welcome and welcome back to my channel if you're a returnee. Thank you so much for joining today. If you're a newbie and you like what you see, please do well to subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn on that bell icon next to the subscribe button so whenever I post, you'll be one of the first to get that amazing, awesome, one-of-one notification. Thank you so much. This is my second time filming this sort of video. I've decided to make it a yearly thing. I started last year, so this is the second edition, so to speak. It is my Empties video of 2023, specifically beauty products, skincare, and the likes. I have a bunch of items here. Ooh. So many items in this basket. I'll be telling you all my unbiased opinion about, letting you all know if I'm going to repurchase or I'm just going to take my L and move on. If you like to see all of that, then keep on watching. I know you do, so keep on watching. Let's just delve right into the video. First on my list is this Dr. Teal's Shea Sugar Scrub in the vitamin C variant. Will I be repurchasing this? Nah. Not because I don't like the Dr. Teal's product. I have mentioned this on my channel before, but I decided to switch to the shea and almond oil variant. This vitamin C one, I believe, is for people with light skin tone or people that are looking to enhance their skin tone to be lighter, basically. But I like my melanin, I love my chocolate, I just want it to be shining, hence my opting for the almond oil variant. I'll leave it on the screen so you can see the one I'm talking about. The Dr. Teal's line itself is amazing. This scrub is no different. I love it. But like I mentioned, I switched to another variant because that is better for my skin type, my skin tone, and everything I'm hoping to achieve in terms of my skincare. Right? Second item is this Garnier Micellar Milky Cleansing Water. Will I be repurchasing this? Hell yeah. I already did. I always buy in bulk. Most times, 99% of the time I buy in bulk. So I already have a full bottle in my skincare drawer. Also, I have another product I fell in love with recently. I mentioned it in my skincare routine video. Go watch that. I'll leave it linked in the card so you know the product I'm talking about. However, I'm not going to let go of this product because I really like it. I've been using this for years. I usually get it off ASOS because I find that it's kind of scarce in stores, but on ASOS I always get it, and most times they run a sale on it. I get it for about £3 to £4. It's so good. One of my favorite micellar water, and I love that it was formulated for dry sensitive skin, which I have. So beautiful product, love it. Definitely repurchasing, or I have already repurchased. I'm just building a pyramid with these products. This is minus the ones I trashed. These are the Body Shop body butters in coconut and almond milk. Two of my favorite body butters ever, my favorite moisturizers ever. But will I be repurchasing them? Nah. Let me explain why. It's actually a very serious issue. So I don't know why I'm even laughing, but I'm not going to be repurchasing them until probably they review their prices or they give some kind of a discount. I used to buy these around 9 to 11 pounds, thereabouts. 12, 13 pounds. In Dubai, I always buy it on sale. Even when I went to South Africa, I got it on sale. Buy 2, get 1 free, or buy 3 or there. Something. It was a very catchy sale, right? Explain to me why I got to the UK, which is where they are situated, to get a re-up of these products because I love them. They do my skin so well. And it has increased to 19 pounds for just one tub. Brethren, I just turned my back and left. I went to the store probably 3 times before I came back, thinking that we were going to have a summer sale or something, but nothing was forthcoming. I don't know why that is. I don't know if products price of production increase. I really do not know, but one thing I'm sure of is that I'm not going to be repurchasing it. I can't buy one tub, this small tub of 200 ml. This small tub, let me even open it so you guys can see. Small tub like this for 19 pounds. That's about 20-something thousand here in Nigeria for one tub. And I go through these products in a month, less than like 4 weeks, 4 or 5 weeks, I'm done with one. I decided to cut my coat according to my material, not even my size this time, because if I want to cut according to my size, it's going to be very expensive still. So yeah, I really love it. Body Shop, I'm obsessed with their product, especially their body butter, because it just does my skin so well, but I cannot afford to buy it anymore. Hence my opting for another one that I will show you all in the course of this video. So, bye! sorry about the noise, but that's how I feel. Next on my list is the Red Temptation perfume from Zara. Will I be repurchasing this? No. Not because I don't love the product. I really love the product. I love that it's a perfect dupe to the Baccarat's perfume. But this bottle is a dumbbell. Yo, this bottle is so heavy that I can't even. I try so hard to understand why it was so heavy. It was made to be so heavy. I think it's a Zara perfume thing. It's not just about this bottle. It is so heavy, legit a dumbbell. You can use this to work out, and your arms will go down. So I won't be repurchasing it because of that reason. And that reason alone, because I travel with perfumes most of the time, and sometimes I just want to take this as my everyday perfume and leave my Baccarat Rouge. But it's so heavy. This is legit extra luggage. So if I'm going to be repurchasing it, I would definitely get it in the smaller size, not this 100 ml again. Is it a good perfume though? Amazing, long lasting, beautiful, showstopper. It makes a statement, all of the shebang. But I'm not just going to be repurchasing it because it is too heavy. So if you're a Zara rep watching this, please, you all should work on this bottle. It's too heavy. I still have a little left, and I'm going to make sure I finish it before I trash it. So that's the only reason why I won't be purchasing. Next is the Golden Skin Brightening Toner. Most of you already know that I'm definitely going to be repurchasing this. I've already repurchased it. At the time of filming this video, I've already gone to buy another bottle. This toner, I raved about it so much in my skincare routine video. Again, I'll leave a link to the cards and in my description box so you can go watch it. This toner is the truth. It's amazing. It's just the best. Love, love, love it. I don't think I'm going to turn my back on this Voltin product. It's really, really good. Good. I went in depth in that video, so I don't want to spend a lot of time here. Next on my list is bio oil. I've trashed so many of these bottles because if you know me, you know that I go through bio oil like water. I have a lot. I have in my skincare stash, I have like 8 bottles I haven't even touched. That's how good bio oil is. I've done a video about this before. I think it was my skincare video, but the one of last year, I believe, or early this year. My mom introduced me to bio oil, and ever since I haven't gone back. It just makes my skin smooth. It keeps stretch marks at bay, keeps wrinkles at bay. There are a lot of benefits you get when using bio oil, and I can't go back. I get the original one from South Africa because that's where it's produced, and I also buy in bulk and give people who want to buy from me. So I just sell it to them at the price I got from the seller there in South Africa. So if you're interested, hit me up. I have a few bottles left and I can give from my stash as well. Love, love, love it. I love that it also has the travel size and the bigger size, which is what I just showed you. Another perfume. This is the YSL Libre Intense. Definitely going to be repurchasing this. Let my container land. I'm definitely going to repurchase. This is my favorite, one of my favorite perfumes of all time. I love it. It's long lasting. It just oozes money, riches, prosperity, all the good stuff. I'm a huge fan of this scent, and I'm definitely going to repurchase this. Love it. The next beauty product is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. Will I repurchase this? No, because I don't like how it looks a few hours after wear. It just gives me that cakey look and it starts bringing out fine lines. It just makes everything intense. It intensifies your lines and everything on your face. So definitely not going to be purchasing this. I have other options I have used. Currently, I'm using the Estee Lauder one and I really love it. Love it way more than this one. So this was a trial bottle and like I mentioned, I won't be repurchasing this. It's not a bad foundation, don't get me wrong. I still use the concealer till tomorrow. But this foundation, I'm not so much a fan of, so definitely not going to be repurchasing. Yes. Still on foundations, this is the Colourpop No Filter Foundation. Will I be repurchasing this? Yeah, if I have the chance to. But for now, I'm just going to put that at the back seat because it's not a need. But if I come across Colourpop again, probably in store or I go to the US, I can even order from here because they ship to Nigeria. I will repurchase this. But for now, like I mentioned, it's not a need because I have a lot of foundations I'm using now. But it's a very good foundation. If you're starting off with makeup, a beginner, you should jump on this. It is very affordable, beginner friendly, it's full coverage, it's an amazing product. The Colourpop No Filter Foundation, and the color range is amazing as well. You'll be sure to get your color match. Still on foundation, this is the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD High Foundation Long Wear Illuminating Foundation. Will I repurchase this? No, because I don't like the illuminating feature on it. It just makes me shine too much and I don't like it. When it comes to my makeup, I like it being very dewy. I love it being very natural looking. So not going to repurchase this. But it's a good foundation if you don't mind the illuminating features. Also foundation, the Makeup Forever High Definition Foundation. This one I've had in my stash. I didn't even know it was finished, but when I wanted to film this video, I realized that I had empties of it, so I decided to include it. Will I repurchase it? I'm indifferent. It's a very good foundation, but then again, I have a lot of foundation, so I don't know. It's an amazing foundation. I would compare this to the Estee Lauder one. It's that good. It's a beautiful foundation, HD finish, flawless finish, that natural dewy finish that I love. Like I mentioned, I am indifferent, so we're hanging in the balance here when it comes to this one. The last foundation on my list is the LORAL 24-Hour Pro Filter Long Lasting Demi Matte Finish Foundation. Yes, I'm going to be repurchasing this. I already repurchased this. This is my everyday foundation. It's actually what I'm wearing in this video. It is so good. Love it. Long lasting. It's just amazing. Everything this foundation says is what it does. And for just £10 or $10, that'd be $8. It's quite affordable. This is, like I mentioned, my everyday foundation. Love, love, love it. Next is the Paula's Choice 2% BHA exfoliant. Will I repurchase this? It's a hard no, to be honest. I use this, but I still cannot tell you what it did on my skin. Probably because I use a lot of products, so this got drowned in the mix, so to speak. So I won't be repurchasing this because I feel like I have other products that do the same thing, and it's too expensive for what it claims it does. In my opinion, it's too expensive for what they claim it does. You can get a cheaper product that does same thing. So for that reason, I'm not going to be repurchasing it. Used it, liked it, but not loved it. I'm not at the point of obsession, so I'm not going to buy it again. If you have used the Paula's Choice exfoliant, let me know in the comment section if you love it or you understand where I'm coming from. Next on my list is the Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. This is the gift size, but your girl is not going to buy the full size. One thing I noticed about this product is how amazing it smells. It has a very good scent, but it doesn't do the job of moisturizing, especially for my dry skin. So I'm not going to be purchasing it. I can manage to use it for nighttime moisturizing, but for daytime, with the dry skin I have, nah. It's for the scent, I will repurchase it, but that's not the only reason I'm buying the moisturizer. And it doesn't even come cheap, so I can't even splurge on that. So definitely not going to be repurchasing it. I still have a little left that I can turn to a hand cream or something. So yeah, I just wanted to try it out because of how popular it was. I opted for the sample size. The next empty I'll be showing you all in this video is the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. Double yes, I'm going to be repurchasing this. I've already repurchased this. I got this in November last year, this tub, and I still have a little product left, if you can see it inside. Just a little that will last me for probably 3 days. This product is long lasting. It is good. It is moisturizing. It does everything the company stated and more. I'm a preacher of all things CeraVe, at least the products I've tried, and this is top 1 on my list. I love, love, love it. I like that when you charge me for something, I get my money's worth of it, and that is it with this product. An amazing product for skincare. It contains ceramide, it contains hyaluronic acid. It's just so amazing. You can also use it on your body, but I just stick to my face because I can't be buying this every 1 month. Still on moisturizers, the next empties are these ones from Marks and Spencer. So remember when I talked about the Body Shop one, I replaced them with these ones from Marks and Spencer. Marks and Spencer sells body butters, and these ones are so good. I opted for the coconut and the shea because of my skin type. I also had the almond one, but I trashed it before I realized I was going to film this video. So those 3 are my faves. Number 1 being the shea one. It's so good. The same tub with the Body Shop one, and this is for £9. Just £9, so I can afford this. The only gag is that I have to wait for someone coming back, or I buy in bulk at a time. So when I traveled, I got like 5 or 6. Hopefully before I get done with those ones, I would have found a way to replenish them. Very moisturizing, love it. My skin is doing well, as you can see. Definitely going to repurchase this until they change their price, then I'll look for a cheaper option. The next product is a setting powder. This is the Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder. Someone introduced me to this when it first launched. I loved it, but I think I've used better products. I'm using better products. This is a translucent one. They have it in banana and different colors. It's nice, but I don't think it's as long lasting. After a few hours, you notice that your under eye starts to crease and stuff. But I won't expect a lot from this product because it's quite affordable. I think it's like $3 or $5. So yeah, it's giving the money's worth in simple terms. Next is still a setting powder. This is the Benai setting powder. Will I be repurchasing this? Yes, if I get the chance to. Benai is underrated, if I should say so myself. Their products are so good because they are theatrical makeup products. They are that good, but an everyday person will be like, oh, it's too much for me, but it does get the job done. This is the banana variant that I got a couple of months ago, and I'm done with it now. It's so good. It gives that flawless finish. But right now I'm using another product. Probably when that one is done with, I can repurchase this. But if it's a good product, yes, and I'm open to using it again. The last product in this Empties haul is the Bioderma Photoderm sunscreen in 100 SPF max. This protects you from UVA and UVB, so it's multi-resistant. It is tolerant to the eye, so you don't get that twitching or the peppery feeling. Really good, but I won't be repurchasing this particular variant just because I found something better and I found something bigger. I'm still using a Bioderma sunscreen, but not this particular one. I'm using the SPF 50. This one, I noticed that the white cast is on another level because of the SPF 100 and above. So I opted for something lower that still gives me that protection from UVA and UVB. That's the only reason I won't be repurchasing this. But if I lived in a country like Dubai, which is where I got it from, I would definitely use this because the sun there is nobody's friend. So there you have it, y'all. The aforementioned products I'll either be repurchasing or letting go in 2023. I gave you all my reasons why. Have you used any of the products I mentioned? Let me know your thoughts about them in the comment section. If you enjoyed watching this video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe if you're not yet a member of the Chantel Nation gang, the Chantel Nation family. I can't wait to welcome you. All right, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.